Hi, this is Saket. Now, in this video, I am going to discuss you about the Laplace transformation of function f of t is equals to sine 2t. Now, let me discuss this. When function f of t is equals to sine 2t, okay, we know that Laplace transformation of any function f of t is equals to integration of 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Now we have to substitute sine 2t is equals to integration of 0 to infinity e power minus st sine 2t dt. Okay, we have to do by parts to solve this integration. By parts of u is equals to u integration of v minus integration of u dash into integration of v. Okay, for solving these by parts, to know the priority of these functions, we have a formula called ILET, which is used generally: I inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. Okay, based on this, I am giving the priority order. For sine 2t, it will become 1 because of a trigonometric function, and e power minus st is exponential function. I am giving as priority 2. Okay, now solving this integration, e power minus st sine 2t dt is equals to integration sine 2t e power minus st integration dt minus integration of sine 2t differentiation 2 cos 2t integration of e power minus st dt, limit 0 to infinity sine 2t is e power minus st by minus s, integration of 0 to infinity minus 0 to infinity 2 cos 2t minus e power minus st by s. Since integration of e power minus x equals to e power minus x by minus x dt. Okay, sine 2t e power minus st divided by s, integration of 0 to infinity minus will become plus 2 cos 2t e power minus st by s dt 0 to. Now taking 2 by s as common, 0 to infinity cos 2t e power minus st by s dt. Now again we have to do by parts, so that's why I am taking this function as y. Now we have to solve the y integration, 0 to infinity cos 2t e power minus st dt. Same, by using the above by parts formula, I am solving this. Cos 2t e power minus st integration 0 to infinity limits dt minus integration of cos 2t is equals to minus 2 sine 2t 0 to infinity integration of e power minus st will become e power minus st by minus s dt. Now minus will become cancel. Cos 2t e power minus st by minus s, integration limits is 0 to infinity minus integration of 0 to infinity 2s I am taking as common, sine 2t e power minus st dt. Here sine 2t e power minus st is our original integration what we are doing, so I am taking this as some another constant z. Okay, now it will become z. Okay, now I am writing this, z is equals to y is equals to cos 2t e power minus st by minus s minus 2 by s times of z. Okay, but we have z is equals to sine 2t e power minus st by minus s. Forgotten to substitute. Integration of limit 0 to infinity plus 2 by s of that original function y, that is cos 2t e power minus st by minus s, integration limit 0 to infinity minus 2 by s times of z. Okay, now let's get into this. Z is equals to sine 2t e power minus st by minus s, limits 0 to infinity, plus 2 by s into cos 2t e power minus st by minus s 0 to infinity. Now multiplying 2 by s inside, minus 4 by s square times z. Okay, taking z aside, z into 1 plus 4 by s square is equals to sine 2t e power minus st by minus s, integration limit 0 to infinity, plus 2 by s cos 2t e power minus st by s, limits 0 to infinity. Now solving these limits, z into s square plus 4 by s square. Okay, now when we put infinity inside, e power minus infinity will become 0, and if we substitute sine of infinity, sine value is a bounded function which varies from minus 1 to plus 1 in the graph. If you saw the graph, you will get like this. It will be always from minus 1 to plus 1. So infinity into bounded value, 0 into bounded value will become 0. So substituting the upper limit infinity, you will get 0, and for the lower limit e power minus 0 will become 1 by minus s, sine 2t will come, sine of 0 will become 0. So total value will become 0. The limit of this value when substituting the upper limits and lower limits will become 0. Okay, plus 2 by s into, same substituting e power minus st as infinity, you will get infinity. Cos 2t also varies from minus 1 to plus 1 only. So the infinity into e power minus infinity will become 0. 0 into some bounded value will become 0. Substituting the lower limit, you will get e power minus st value will become e power minus 0. E power 0 will become 1 by s into cos 2t. Cos of 0 will become 1 minus 1 by s. I have here minus, I forgotten to keep. So it will become plus. Okay, 0 plus 2 by s square, z into s square plus 4 by s square is equals to 2 by s square. Cancelling the s square, you will get z is equals to 2 by s square plus 4. By this we can say that Laplace transformation of sine 2t is equals to 2 by s square plus 4. Okay, this is the solution. Hope that you will understand this. Thank you.